Hello everybody, hope you're good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the charging problem of your device Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So if you want to enable fast charging in your device Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable fast charging in your device.